A beginner's guide to making money online. All you need to know about making money online. If you are a beginner and have not tried to make money online, this article is for you. Here, we will talk about how to make money online as a beginner and give you some ideas on how to start. Making money online is a popular topic nowadays. It has been around for a long time, but only recently did the trend really take off. Online jobs are becoming more and more common as new opportunities arise all the time. This video will give you some tips on how to make money online. Number 1. Create a blog and monetize with Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. It's always best to start small. You can try to monetize your blog with Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. As you grow, you can explore other monetization strategies like sponsored posts, paid subscriptions, and consulting services. Number 2. Sell your knowledge and expertise. As a copywriter, you should be familiar with the latest trends in your industry. You should know what your audience wants and how to write compelling content for them. Number 3. Teach an online course about your talent. Online courses are a great way to monetize your talents. You can offer people the opportunity to learn something that you are skilled in. It is a great idea, especially because many people are looking for this kind of experience. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel and monetize with ads. YouTube has become the go-to destination for video content. With over 1 billion users monthly, it is the second largest search engine in the world, only after Google. There are many ways to monetize your channel, including displaying video ads before or during your video, product placement, sponsorships, and more. Number 5. Create an online store for selling your product or others. Your online store will be the bridge between your products and the customers. A successful business needs an e-commerce site to attract people who are looking for products like yours. Without it, you may be missing out on potential revenue. There are always new opportunities in the world of marketing. New trends in search engine optimization, social media, and content creation are continually emerging. Making money on YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, second only to its parent company, Google. It is also the most popular video streaming site in the world. With over 1 billion users, YouTube has achieved a level of success that few other sites have matched. The site's popularity comes from its ease of use, its vast content library, and its accessibility. When it comes to making money on YouTube, there are two main ways to do so, through AdSense or through sponsored videos. The AdSense model relies on viewers watching a clip for 30 seconds before they're served with an ad for whatever product is being advertised at that time. They are then given an offer to subscribe to whatever channel they are watching in order to continue viewing the video uninterrupted. Making money from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are a crucial part of an organization's marketing apparatus. They are the foot soldiers that can help you reach a much larger audience. Affiliate marketing is a simple, yet lucrative business opportunity for those looking to earn a side income from home. It's also a great way to start your own business. In this video, we will explore the basics of affiliate marketing as well as tips and tricks on how you can make money from affiliate marketing. Alternatives to YouTube and how to make money with them as a beginner. YouTube is a great platform to monetize on, but it's not the only one. In this post, we will be exploring 2 alternatives to YouTube and the best ways to make money with them as a beginner. Number 1. Vimeo. Vimeo allows for monetization of videos, but it does not allow for live streaming. Vimeo is a video sharing platform that allows creators to post videos and monetize them through a revenue share with Vimeo. However, one limitation of this platform is that it does not allow for live streaming. Number 2. Twitch. Twitch's live streaming service allows you to earn more than $1 per 1,000 views. It also has an amazing community that is willing to support you with donations and subscriptions. Conclusion. Making money online is a way to make good money without having to leave your home. There are many ways to make money online, and this article will outline the first few steps to starting an online business. Making money online is a popular way to make good money without having to leave your home. There are many different ways to make money online, and this article will outline the first few steps to starting an online business. Millions of people are turning to the internet in order to make money. It's possible to work from home, set your own hours, and enjoy the benefits of working remotely. Thank you for watching.